Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me and and today we are going to do our nails with all-purpose flour. So this video is going to be really interesting. So make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. And now let's get started. So here is the flour I'm using. So here is the tips I have. I really want to try this nail tips, but I got this simple piece of nail tips from one local shop. So I also want to try this. So I'm kind of confused which one should I try. I think I should try the simple ones. I'm going to try these box ones in my next video, so stay tuned. This glue is okayish. I used this glue in my previous video, so going to use this one. But I also got this nail glue too, and I really want to try this one too, but I think I should try the red one. Going to try this new nail glue in my next video, so stay tuned. So I'm going to try this two new stuffs in my next video, so please give me some ideas in comment section which kind of video I should make. So now let's apply tips on our nails. So I just stick the tips on my three fingers really easily, but when it comes to ring finger I just stick it normally, but it didn't stick on my nails. Then I'm like, what is happening? So I tried again and again like three times and it's not sticking at all. Like I just pissed off. The glue is okay cause I'm using this glue from a long time, but I didn't use this tips yet, and this tips is really bad and weird. Like, so if you saw this kind of tips on any local store, don't buy it. Actually, after like 1 to 2 days, when I saw the tips again, I feel like I know why the tips is not sticking on my nails, because the tips are so flat, they are not curved for our nail bed. So I will like suggest you, whenever you go and buy tips, don't buy it without like seeing them properly. See that they are curved or not. If they are not curved, don't buy it. After struggling for around 20 minutes, it's done. The process is so horrible. I really don't wish to try these tips again. After applying tips, I totally forgot to cut my tips and shape them. like because of the struggle, and I just get everything done to do my nails with flour. Then I just suddenly remember that I have to cut my nails. So when I try to find my nail cutter, I can't find it. So I find this baby nail cutter. This is so small, so I feel like I should try cutting my tips with it. This is only for babies. So when I tried to cut my nails with it, it didn't cut. Then I feel like to cut my tips with scissor. This scissor is like so old. This scissor is only for cutting papers and doing craft and all. I put all my strength in cutting these tips and I hurt myself with this scissor. It hurts so badly. Like my finger hurts for around 2 days. The process of doing this nails is so horrible. Then I feel like I should try cutting my nails with this baby nail cutter, and I tried to cut my nails with it, but it didn't cut. So I feel like I should go and find the normal nail cutter for cutting my tips. Finally, I find the nail cutter. I'm so happy. Now let's cut our nails with this nail cutter, and let's say bye to our baby nail cutter, and let's throw this scissor out. So now we have to file our nails. So I have these two filers, the metal one and the normal one, and I got this e-filer from Amazon for around $5 to $6. This e-filer is worst. Like I hate this e-filer. It didn't even file my natural nails. So I'll suggest you don't buy it. It will be waste of your money. Filing is done. So now let's do our nails. All you have to do is apply glue and then sprinkle the flour on your nails, and then repeat this process. So as you can see, if you are using a tube glue, so this kind of thing will happen with you. So I will suggest you to use a brush on glue. It will really help you a lot. Now repeat this process on your remaining fingers. So then I just file my nails and then wash my hands and pet dry them. They are looking quite good and I quite like them. So if you want, so you can try doing these nails. The process of doing these nails is quite fun. They are done. Now all I have to do is paint them. So I am painting them with blue nail paint and glitter nail paint. Doing my nails with flour is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you so, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want, so you can comment and share this video with your family and friends. So I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.